What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This video we're going to be taking a look at what I think is probably one of the coolest 3-in-1 foldables when it comes to wireless charging for the Apple ecosystem. And I'm going to probably butcher the name here, but KUXIU? KUXIU? I don't know. KUXIU? Figure that one out. Alright. So this is their 3-in-1 foldable magnetic wireless charger and stand. I love these things when it comes to travel. So this is definitely something to have it. You can see in multiple flavors. And if we flip it over, you can see here, it's got protection for over temperature, over current, over voltage, and short circuit. So, hey, crosses off a lot of my things when I'm worrying about charging my devices wirelessly, because that tends to be where they heat up and where you can actually cause some damage. So, it's the 3-in-1 foldable magnetic wireless charger and stand. That's a mouthful. Product model though is X63. Input 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2.2 amps, 2 amps, and 12 volt equals 3 amps. Output up to 15 watts. Let's say 3 watts to 15 watts. Output for the phone anywhere from 5 watts to 15 watts. Output for the watch 3 watts to 5 watts. Output for earbuds straight up 5 watts. 196 grams. Okay, so it's got a little bit of weight to it, but not bad. Not bad at all. So you can charge 3 devices at once, and again, it has a wattage of 5 watts to 15 watts because it's basically going to spread the load. So if you're only going to charge your phone's going to get 15 watts. But now if you throw on another device, your Apple Watch, your wireless earbuds or whatever, then it's going to start deducting down based on the draw that these things are going to be taking, right? So that's why it's going to be spread out. Now, your earbuds are always going to get 5 watts. So it is going to impact your earbuds. They're going to take 5 watts. It's reserved. That's where it's going to go. You also get this little case. I'm not a huge fan of the case, but it's more bulky than the device itself. So, and then inside the case, though, you do get a USB-C to C cable for power and a brick, and it's a big brick. So if you're a fan of the case and you want to haul this around, then it does supply it. And what does it look like in the case? Basically like this. Okay, so you're set to go. Travel wise, maybe I can get this to close. Just kind of threw it in here. We gotta keep that up there. Then it'll close. I can't line up the items, so we can do that. Can't have it down here. Can't have it in the middle, because then you're competing. So gotta have this up here and this down here. Or you could. Now you can't flip flop it. It's just gonna be that, like that. Okay. So there is the case. Now here's the actual device itself. This is aluminum. It is not plastic. It is nice construction, nice build. Like I said, it has a little bit of weight to it. It's travel ready, so TSA approved. There's not going to be any issues. It does not have a battery internally to it. You have to plug this in to provide power, and you can hear that. It's got some meat. Okay, these are rubbery surfaces for the wireless pads, so that's nice. And again, I already mentioned the overheat protection, overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, and the quality aluminum build. So it's about a ½ pound. If you want to convert grams, I think I said 196 grams, it's about a ½ pound. So like I said, it has some bulk. So let's go ahead and undo this here, and we'll show you how this is going to play out. So it's got this little three-piece kind of thing here. It's kind of cool, actually. So here's what we're going to do. Let's get our phone. Let's plug this in. So we'll actually use the gear that comes with it. So I'll just undo the cable. I'm going to plug this in. And it is a nice looking device. It truly is. It's definitely not cheap. I've seen these made from plastic. I've seen them be really, really cheap. Alright, so we plugged it in. And we've got a, where's our plug? Right here. Okay, so we've got this plugged in. Now we have juice. So if I put my phone up here, we should start charging. And we are. And now we're going into kind of a desktop mode, wireless charging mode. So we've got that. Now let's put our AirPods, we'll just put that down here. Again, remember, those are going to get 5 watts. Are we charging? Trying to get them perfectly placed here. And then we have our Apple Watch. So we've got a built-in Apple Watch charger right here. So let's just throw the Apple Watch on here. Hopefully. There we go. Apple Watch is charging. So now we have all of our devices. Boom. We are charging all 3 devices at once with this little guy. Let's turn it for a side view. That's what it looks like sidewise. Your Apple Watch, nice little fold out there. See that? Just folds in, folds out. However you want to do it. This is an Ultra. Sometimes they're a little picky on how you get them on the charger. Works just fine. So we're charging all 3 of our devices at the exact same time. Now, right now our phone, you know, based on whatever, is probably getting about, let's see, if our AirPods are getting the 5 watts, right, and our watch is getting, say, 5 watts, then our phone is only going to get 5 watts. So it's going to slowly charge. But if I start taking these items off, the phone actually gets the full 15 watts and should be good to go. So that is nice. Take this on travel, put it on your nightstand by your bed, right? Now you have, once you put your Apple phone up here, you have an alarm clock. You have a clock. You don't have to rely on the hotel's system, right? You can basically have this at your desktop, and you're going to be charging everything all at once, which is awesome. I don't know if it's a big fan of this case. So here's what we're going to do. Either these are fully charged, which it doesn't appear they are, or this case, and I want to see if it's case friendly. Just trying to inch this out of the case. So if you're wondering what the nice leather case these are in, this is a Andar case. Alright, so let's see. Interesting. I don't see this AirPod charging down here. There it goes. So it's just a matter of placement. So it is charging. You now see the little beacon down here. So that's good. I just want to make certain that the base was not not functioning. Let's try it with the case on it. So we're going to put this back in here. Got to tuck it in all the way. So it is being a little picky with my case. I am going to say that. With this case on, it is not charging. And I have been able to charge with this case on other wireless chargers. So, for me, the base, let's just move this up. Make sure I'm not. So here you can see, there it goes. So with a larger case, I guess I'm going to have to probably push that back quite a bit and up. So the nice thing is you can work with this when it comes to its angles. There it's charging. So now I have my Apple Watch here, iPhone here. There we go. I got all 3 on there and they're all 3 charging. Okay. It just takes a little bit. That's kind of a little bit of a drawback. So here is what you're seeing. You're seeing my AirPods charge, my phone is charging, and my Apple Watch is charging back here. So you're going to have to make sure based on, if you have a case on your AirPods, I'm bringing this up, it may be that makes it too big for this platform or blocks its wireless connectivity. But it is working, so we're good there. This would be the perfect angle for everything on this for my setup to work. So just a little pay attention to the base. Make sure you get it. Anyway, guys, I do want to say that they provided this to the show for review. They have not altered this content or anything like that. This is my unbiased opinion. And as always, if you want to check out their website, I'll try to link either their Amazon or their actual website down on the show notes so you can check this out. And they also have other products. They also have actually really cool products. There's a premium version of this that has wood, which I was like, ooh, that's really kind of neat. So if you're like into the wood look, you can put this on your desk and have a nice premium looking charger. And you don't want to travel with it and you're just going to use it on your desk, then hey, that's perfect. But otherwise, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good one.